Hi everyone. Today I would like to show you about the better garbage disposal. After 7 years, I have water leaking from the bottom. So I say, why don't I just replace the disposal, food or garbage disposal? So I went to a Walmart, not the Walmart, the Home Depot, and trying to get the similar one. But I have, I got I guess similar one, the same brand, but it's not a one. Instead, it's 100. But it looks somewhat really. I think it just looks same. But the only thing is that this one doesn't come with power cord. So I have to take the power cord out, and then I have to transfer the power cord to a new one. So in the box, so this is the box, the brand new one box. Inside the box, it comes with of course the garbage disposal and manual, and also it comes with this thing and the registration card and flexible pipe, not the flexible, but what is that called, bended pipe, and gasket, but not the power cord. So I'm so disappointed, and I thought it was kind of easy to replace it, but taking power cord out from the old one is really it's really pain in the ass, you know. So what I did was I had to disassemble this old uh, disposal. So what did I do? What did I do was I unscrewed four of these from 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's a four of them. So once you take that out, you have to kind of ply it out with this screw. You have to kind of ply it out, and then will come the top piece out, and it's really really dirty. And look at this, after 7 years use, look how rusty it is. So once I took this out, I saw the problem. So the problem was, see, let me show you the problem. The problem is, this is the problem. You see the holes here? There's a hole, and it's really rusty. And I think there's another hole here, inside here. So, and then okay, I took that top portion out. So in order to take the bottom portion out, you have to take this O-ring out, and then you have to ply it out with the screwdriver. You have to kind of ply it out, and then this top portion comes out. Top portion comes out like this. So this is top portion. If you're interested, if you wanna see what's how this disposal looks, this and then this piece still it's not easy to take things out. So what did I do was I had to take the screw and like this, and then ply it out, and then the bottom portion comes out like this. The bottom portion comes out. So the bottom, and then after this is the power cord, and this was kind of stuck in, like stuck like this. So what you do is with the plier, you wanna squeeze this right here, and the opposite here. Then you kind of squeeze really hard with the plier, and then pull out from the housing right here, and then this portion comes out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this black wire and the white wire. I'm gonna cut it out, and I'm going to then connect those with the brand new one. Let me see. This is the brand new one, and then look at this. This doesn't come with power cord. Come on, Butcher. It's just a few dollars, I think. Could be maybe $1 or $2. Make your life easier. Please, Butcher, make power cord. This is like $100 one, and you're not putting power cord. Like this power cord, it doesn't come with a power cord. Please. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this, and then I'm gonna connect to this, and then that's what I'm gonna do next. So the next step, like I say, I cut the wire, and then I pushed in 3 wires inside this hole, take it out, and I'm gonna I wish I have the yellow or the orange connector, but since I don't have it, I'm gonna just twist it, the black to black wires, twist it like this, and then I'm gonna use the black wire tape, and then I'm gonna just wrap it up like that. So this is how I did. Connect the white wire with the white wire, black one with the black, and the ground one to the body. Then I'm gonna just push it like this, and then that's it. I'm gonna taking the disposal from out of sink is not that difficult. If you see this kind of stuff, all you gotta do is I use the screwdriver, and then stick like this, and then push that like this, and then it will turn. And then once it turns out, and then all you gotta do is just take it out. So that part I'm not gonna show you because it's really easy. And then the installing this machine back to the sink is opposite of taking out. So that's what I'm gonna do. So the lesson that I learned from buying this one is in the future, if I need to buy it again, I will definitely buy machine with the power cord. Machine, it has power cord. I definitely will buy that disposal. Not not like this. Unless I know that Badger is some model comes with the power cord. So if you want to spend more money, a little more money, and comes with the power cord, definitely do that. But in this case, my case, for today, I didn't buy it. Machine with the power cord. So yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching. and see you next time.